I always wait until the last minute. Even when I promise myself I won't. I'll have hours. Even days. But I still don't start. Then suddenly, it's urgent. And now I have to do it. Have you ever noticed you only get things done when there's pressure? This is very common with ADHD. Your brain doesn't feel motivated until something feels urgent. No urgency. No action. So it's not that you don't care. Your brain just needs that pressure to activate. What helped me was this: I started creating my own urgency. Timers. Short bursts. Small deadlines. And somehow, that made it easier to start. If this sounds like you, check the link in my bio for tools that actually help.